Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Garmin Forerunner 945 tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Bluetooth headphones or Bluetooth earbuds to your Garmin Forerunner 945. So if you're trying to listen to music that is stored on your Garmin Forerunner 945, either you uploaded files or you have an app installed such as Spotify, Amazon Music, something like that, you'll be able to listen to the music stored on your watch through the Bluetooth headphones by following the steps in this video. So to get started, the first thing we need to do is open up the menu on our Forerunner 945, and we do that by holding the up button just for a second or two. Once the menu's open, scroll down until you get to Music. Select Music. Once we're in Music, scroll down until you see Headphones. Go ahead and select that using the Start or Stop button. And what we want to do here is just select Add New. So now it's searching for headphones. Now we need to take our headphones and put them in pairing mode. Usually you do that by simply holding the power button until the light starts blinking or is blinking red and blue. So as you can see, my headphones are blinking red and blue. Now, if the watch timed out, just simply hit the down button to have it try again. And it should come up in about 10 or 15 seconds with your headphones. Go ahead and select that to add it. Now, as you can see, I am connected to these headphones. One quick thing, if you have any issues connecting to your headphones, there's a possibility that maybe your headphones have connected to another device. So if you use those headphones with your phone or something like that, go ahead, turn off the Bluetooth on that phone, and then try this process again. Now that we've connected the Forerunner 945 to our headphones, we can select into the actual headphones, and if you want to disconnect, you can select that there to disconnect. You can also scroll all the way down to change the name, or simply remove the device and unpair it with your watch. All right, so that's how you connect your Forerunner 945 to a pair of Bluetooth headphones. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Garmin Forerunner 945 tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.